In this video, we're going to be going over the carrier bar separation control that is built into the SSI units. Occasionally, during the downstroke, your rods may encounter some extra friction and start moving slower than the pumping unit. If this happens, it can cause rod hang-up or carrier bar separation, where the polish rod separates from the carrier bar, or as some may call it, the bridle. This separation is unwanted, as when the carrier bar and polish rod connect again, there can be a large load spike that can be damaging to both downhole and surface equipment. In order to avoid this, SSI units have a built-in monitor for this scenario to help prevent it. You can see the setting for this control on the right side of the PumpBoss controller screen, which we'll go to now. How this technology works is that during the downstroke, if the measured rod load drops below the load value that you have input as your set point, then the carrier bar separation will activate and slow the unit down. On our legacy units, this controller will slow the unit down directly to the minimum speed for the remainder of the downstroke. Sometimes though, the carrier bar separation is only for a small portion of the stroke, and then the unit can speed back up. To accommodate for this, SSI developed a more advanced controller that is part of our Smart Speed logic. This advanced controller aims to better optimize the well by analyzing the load and speed for the entire downstroke and only slowing the unit down as much as required to keep the rod from hanging up. This allows for the stroke rate to be maintained as close as possible to your desired rate while still mitigating the harmful effects of carrier bar separation. One final note is that on Smart Speed units, you will see the P gain and the I gain displayed. These parameters affect how aggressively the controller will speed up or slow down. We recommend that you keep these values at the factory default settings, or that you talk with a representative from the SSI service team if you think they need to be changed.